Hi dear student, in this video we learn the Rodriguez formula. By using this formula we solve the examples. In the previous video we learned the orthogonal property theorem. In this video we learn the Rodriguez formula. By using we solve the example. The statement of Rodriguez formula is given like this. The Legendre polynomial Pn of x in the form of Pn of x equal to 1 divided by 2 raised to n into n factorial d raised to n divided by dx raised to n into x square minus 1 whole raised to n is known as Rodriguez formula. The nth polynomial of the Legendre is called as Rodriguez. So it is defined as Pn of x equal to 1 divided by 2 raised to n into n factorial, then d raised to n dx raised to n into x square minus 1 whole raised to n is known as Rodriguez formula. So by using this we solve the Legendre polynomials. So put n is equal to 0 here, you obtain p naught of x equal to 1. For example, if you put n is equal to 0 here, 2 raised to 0 is 1, 0 factorial is 1, it is d raised to 0 means 1, then anything raised to 0 is 1, so 1. So like that, put n is equal to 1, you obtain Pn of x equal to 1. Put n is equal to 2, we get p2 of x equal to 1 by 2 into 3 x square minus 1. So put n is equal to 3, we get p3 of x equal to 1 by 2 into 5x cube minus 3x. Put n is equal to 4, in the Rodriguez formula we get 1 by 8 into 35 into x raised to 4 minus 30x square plus 3, etc. So by using these we solve the examples. To solve the examples, the given example can be converted in the form of, that is, Legendre. So Legendre means we express the given function in terms of p0, p1, p2, p3. So if you don't remember this, remember this Rodriguez formula, then put n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, you obtain this. So this is the definition of Rodriguez formula. By using this we solve the example. So let us know the working rule, how to solve the example. We first write down the expression for p0 of x, p1 of x, p2 of x, p3 of x, p4 of x with the degree of the given polynomial. If it is third order, up to p3 we write. If it is fourth order, we write up to 4. If it is second order, we write p2. Then express the x square, x cube, x raised to 4 in the term of Legendre polynomials. First we write this p0, p1, p2, p3. Then we express that in terms of x square, x cube, x4. Then last is working rule is substitute these expression in the given polynomial function f of x and simplify to obtain f of x in the form of a0 into p0 of x plus a1 into p1 of x plus a2 into p2 of x, so on, where a0, a1, a2, a3 are constant. So simply working rule is first write the p0, p1, p2, p3 values, then that will be expressed in terms of x square, x cube, x4, etc. Then put in the given function, then simplify, write in the form of a0 p0 plus a1 p1 a2 p2, so on. So let us solve problems. Express polynomial x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 3 in terms of Legendre polynomial. Means the given expression in terms of x we express in terms of p polynomials, that is p0, p1, p2, p3, p4, by using the value of p0, p1, p3, p4. In place of x cube we express p, in place of x square we express p. So for that, depending on the polynomial, degree of the polynomial, we take the p0, p1, p3, p4. So given f of x equal to x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 3, let us denote it is 1. Then we know the formula, you directly write p0 of x equal to 1, p1 of x equal to x, p2 of x equal to 1 by 2 into 3x square minus 1, p3 of x equal to 1 by 2 into 5x cube minus 3x, already you know. So here the degree of the function is x cube is there, so p3 contain x cube. So if they ask the x cube, we write the polynomial up to p3. If they ask x raised to 4, we write p4. So depending on the polynomial, we take the p0, p1, p2, p3, p4. because we put the x cube value, x square value, x value and one value in the given equation in the form of P0, P1, P2, P3, P4. So like that means, suppose here 3 into 1 is there, one value is P0, so x value is P1, like that. So we want x square and x cube. If the x cubed up to x cube is there, we write P3. If it is x raised to 4 is there, we write the formula up to P raised to P4 of x. So we are required x cube, x square, x and one value. Already one value is P0 of x is there, x value P1 of x is there, then x square, it is in the form of P2 of x equal to 1 by 2 into 3x square minus 1 is there. So we simplify x squares in the form of x square. So for that we have multiplied to this side, 2p2 x equal to 3x square minus 1, or 3x square is equal to 2p2 of x plus 1, take minus 1 this side, then 3x square 3x square is equal to 2 p2 of x, and the value of 1 is p0 of x. Therefore x square is equal to 2 by 3 into p2 of x plus 1 by 3 into p0 of x. So here the x squares in terms of Legendre polynomial like this. Similarly we want x cube value, for that x want p3 of x, or simplify p3 of x equal to 1 by 2 into 5x cube minus 3x. 2p3 is equal to 5x cube minus 3x. Therefore x cube is equal to 2 by 5 into p3 of x plus 3 by 5 into p1 of x. So now we know the x cube value, x square value, x value and 1 value. So put in the equation number 1, we get f of x equal to, it is a x cube, 2 by 5 into p3 of x plus 3 by 5 into p1 of x plus 2 into 2 by 3 into p2 of x plus 1 by 3 into p0 of x minus p1 of x minus 3 p0 of x. Next, separate the term like that, p3 one side, p1 one side, p2 one side, p0 one side. So here multiply 2 inside the first bracket as it is, 2 by 5 into p3 plus 3 by 5 into p1 plus 2 into 4, 4 by 3 into p2 plus 2 into 1 is 2, 2 by 3 into p0 minus p1 of x minus 3 p0 of x. It is as it is. Next, simplifier, write in the form of, that is descending. So first we write p3, so collect the p3 terms. The p3 terms are only one is there, so f of x equal to 2 by 5 into p3 of x plus the p2 are 4 by 3 p2 of x, only one term is there, 4 by 3 into p2 of x, then p1 is 3 by 5 into p1 of x minus p1 of x. So LCM is 5, so 3 minus 5 is minus 2, minus 2 by 5 into p1 of x, then collect the p0, 2 by 3 into p0 of x minus 3 p0 of x. If you simplify by taking the LCM, we get minus 7 by 3 into p0 of x. So it is a Legendre polynomial. So given function in terms of x is there, we convert in terms of p series, so that is called as Legendre polynomial. So nothing is there, simply we express in terms of p by using these Legendre polynomial expression, p0, p1, p2, p3. So this is an example on Rodriguez formula by using Legendre we solve. So I have written here some more example. Express the polynomial x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 5 in terms of Legendre polynomial. Then express the polynomial 2x cube minus x square minus 3x plus 2 in terms of Legendre polynomial. Express the polynomial x raised to 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 5 in terms of Legendre polynomial. So these two you do homework. I will solve the one more, that is fourth one. So write the solution for the fourth one. First we write the given function f of x equal to x raised to 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 5. So here up to x raised to 4 is there, so we write the Legendre polynomial up to p4 of x. So we know that p0 of x is 1, p1 of x is x, p2 of x is 1 by 2 into 3x square minus 1, p3 of x is 1 by 2 into 5x cube minus 3x, p4 of x is equal to 1 by 8 into 35 into x raised to 4 minus 30x square plus 3. So put the value of x4, x cube, x square, x5 by using this formula. So P0 and P1 already is directly is there, so only expound P2, P3, P4. So first we want x square, so simplify this, or we get take this side 2p2 of x is equal to 3x square minus 1, or minus 1 take this side 3x square is equal to 2p2 of x plus 1. Then 1 can be written in terms of Legendre, one value is p0, so 3x square is equal to 2p2 of x plus p0 of x. Next we require only x square, therefore divide by 3 or take 3 this side, x square is equal to 2 by 3 into p2 of x plus 1 by 3 into p0 of x. The value of x square is this is. Similarly, the p3 of x equal to 1 by 2 into 5x cube minus 3x. We required x cube value, therefore simplify this. To take this side, 2 p3 of x equal to 5x cube minus 3x, or 5x cube is equal to 2 p3 of x plus 3x. Then 5x cube 2 p3 of x plus 3, the x value is p1 of x, p1 of x. Then x cube is equal to 2 by 5 into p3 of x plus 3 by 5 into p1 of x. Means if it is x1 x square is there, we put the value in terms of p. Then p4 of x equal to 1 by 8 into 35 into x raised to 4 minus 30x square plus 3, or at 8 take this side, 8 p4 of x equal to 35 into x raised to 4 minus 30x square plus 3. Then here we want the x raised to 4 except 35 x raised to 4, to take all the terms this side, 8 p4 of x plus 30x square minus 3 equal to 35 into x raised to 4. Then here put the 3 into 1 constant values, we have no p0 of x, so put the value p0, then put the value of x square, then simplify. 35 x raised to 4 is equal to 8 into p4 of x plus 30 into the x square values we know here, 2 by 3 into p2 of x plus 1 by 3 into p0 of x minus the value of 3 is 3 into p0 of x. Next simplify the term, this term, so 35 x raised to 4 multiply 30 inside, 35 x raised to 4 is equal to 8 p4 plus 30 into 2 60, 60 by 3 into p2 plus 30 by 3 into p0 minus 3 p0 of x, or on simplify we get 35 x raised to 4 8 p4 of x plus 3 1 the 320 20 p2 of x plus 3 1 the 3 10 p0 minus 3 p0. Next we club the p4 term, p3 term, p2 term, p1 term, p0 term. So like that, on simplify you get 35 x raised to 4 is equal to only p4 one term is there, therefore 8 p4 of x plus there is no p3 term in here, only p2 is there, 20 p2 of x plus p1 not is there, so next will be p0, 10 minus 3 will be 7 p0 of x, so you write in the form of ascending. Therefore x4 is equal to, take 35 this side, 8 by 35 into p4 of x plus 20 by 35 into p2 of x plus 7 by 35 into p0 of x, or it can be written as x raised to 4 is equal to 8 by 35 into p4 of x plus 4 by 7 into p2 of x plus 1 divided by 5 into p0 of x. Now put the x4 value, x cube, x square and x and one value in the given function, we get this. It is a x raised to 4 value, it is x cube value, it is x square value, it is x value, it is constant value, that is 5 is there, 5 into 1 5 p0 of x. Next simplify this, so simplify means multiply 2 here, the first bracket as it is, multiply means 2 into 2 4 by 5, 2 into 2 6 6 by 5 into p1 of x, so 3 into 2 6 by 3 p2 of x plus 3 into 1 3 3 by 3 p0 of x, so minus 4 p1 plus 5 p0 as it is. Again simplify, 8 by 5 p4 as it is, 4 by 7 p2 as it is, 1 by 5 p0 as it is, so minus 4 by p3 as it is, minus multiply minus plus minus minus 6 by 5 p1, so 3 1 the 3 2 the 2 p2, 3 3 cancel, remaining is p0, so here minus 4 p1 plus 5 p0 x as it is. Now write the f of x in the form of descending, p4 p3 p2 p1 p0, so only p4 only one term is there here, so 8 by 35 into p4 of x minus next term is p3 only one term is there, so minus 4 by 5 p3 of x, Next P2, 4 by 7 P2 of x plus 2 P2 of x. So here take the LCM and simplify, we get 18 divided by 7 into P2 of x. Here 7 LCM is there, 7 into 40, 14 into 4, 14 plus 4 is 18, like that. Then P1, so P1 are minus 6 by 5 into P1 of x minus 4 P1 of x. So LCM is 5, on simplify we get minus 26 by 5 into P1 of x plus P0. So P0 is 1 by 5 P0 of x plus P0 of x plus 5 P0 of x. So LCM is 5, on simplify we get 31 divided by 5 P0 of x. So this is to solve the example of Rodriguez formula by using Legendre expression, that is P0, P1, like that. So these are the example I have given the homework. So these are the two more example I have written here. So express the polynomial f of x equal to x raised to 4 plus 3x cube minus x square plus 5x minus 2 in terms of Legendre polynomial. So by using previous method you try this. Then next question is, show that x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus x is equal to 8 by 35 p4 of x minus 10 by 7 p2 of x plus p1 of x minus 4 by 5 p0 of x. So instead of like question, they have asked the show that both will be same. It is also by using Legendre polynomial we have to solve. So in one more question is there, if x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 1 equal to a p0 of x plus b p1 of x plus c p2 of x plus d p3 of x, find the value of a b c d. So instead of asking the express the polynomial in terms of Legendre polynomial, so they have asked here. So in the here see the question, they have already given a b c d value, but we have to find a b c d. It is show that is there. Here we have to simplify, automatically we get in terms of a p0 plus b p1 c p2 d p3, then you know the abc. So let us solve the example by using the Legendre polynomial, because they have mentioned p0, p1, p2, p3. So given function is f of x equal to x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 1. It is equation number 1. Then already we know the Legendre polynomial is p0 of x equal to 1, p1 of x equal to x, p2 of x equal to 1 by 2 into 3x square minus 1. So on simplification, you know in the previous x square values 2 by 3 into p2 of x plus 1 by 3 p0 of x, or 1 values p0 of x. So p3 of x equal to 1 by 2, 5x cube minus 3x, then x cube values 2 by 5 p3 of x plus 3 by 5 into p1 of x. So up to x cube is there, we have write the polynomial p3. The order is 3 is there, up to that we have to write. Then put x cube, x square, x, one value in 1, we get f of x equal to 2 by 5 into p3 of x plus 3 by 5 into p1 of x plus 2 into 2 by 3 into p2 of x plus 1 by 3 into p1 of x minus the x value is p1 of x, then 1 value is p0 of x. Then simplify the term, that is simplify means here first bracket as it is, only second bracket multiply 2, we get 4 by 3 into p2 of x plus 2 by 3 into p0 of x. This is as it is. Next club the term p3, p2, p1, p0. We get here only one, that is p3 of x is there 2 by 5 p3 of x. Then p2 of x, only one term is there 4 by 3 into p2 of x. Then p1 is 3 by 5 into p1 minus p1, we get minus 2 by 5 into p1 of x. Then p0 2 by 3 into p0 of x plus p0 of x. LCM is 3, so 3 plus 2 is 5, we get 5 by 3 p0 of x. So this is a Legendre polynomial solution. So here in the question they have given, we have a0 p0 plus a1 b1 a0 p0, sorry, we have a p0 of x plus b p1 of x plus c p2 of x plus d p3 of x. Then a value is 2 by 5 p3 of x, b value is 4 by 3 p2 of x, c value minus 2 by 5 p1 of x, then d value 5 by 3 p0 of x. So it is in terms of a p0, b p1, c p2, d p3. Therefore by comparing both, we write the a 5 by 3, b minus 2 by 5, c 4 by 3, d is equal to 4 by 5. So this is the last concept of the module 4 in finite series and special function. So in this model I will repeat. That is, model name is infinite series and special function. In the infinite series, two concepts are there: D'Alembert's ratio test, Cauchy's ratio test, root test. Then in the special function, the Bessel's theorem, then two property g of 1 by 2, g of minus 1 by 2, then orthogonality theorem, then last one is Rodriguez formula. So by using Legendre's polynomial, we solve the example. So this is a model 4. Thank you. In the next video, we'll learn the model 5, that is numerical method.